Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain about IoT based home automation project, and here we are using Arduino UNO board. This is the two channel relay module, this is the ESP module, this is the Bluetooth module, and these are the two bulbs which is connected to the electrical supply. And here we made various connections, and this is the USB port. We made various connections and connected from load to relay to board, and Bluetooth module to UNO board, ESP module to UNO board. And this is the connection schematic of interfacing Arduino and ESP. Here we are connecting VCC and CHPD of ESP module to the 3.3 volts of Arduino UNO, and ground terminal of the ESP to the ground terminal of Arduino UNO, and RX terminal, which is a receiver terminal, is connected to the pin 4. TX terminal is connected to the pin 3. And next we are connecting Arduino and HC05 module, and this is the connection schematic. We are connecting pin 12 of Arduino UNO to the transmitter TX pin, and digital pin 13 to the receiver pin RX, and VCC, which is 5 volt VCC, is connected to the VCC of HC05 module, and ground of Arduino UNO is connected to the ground of HC05 module. And next we are connecting relay driver module and to the bulbs, and this is a connection schematic. R1C is connected to the plug 1. R1NO, which is a negative terminal, which is connected to bulb holder 1. R2C, relay to C, is connected to the negative terminal, which is black wire, and which is connected to the plug 2. Relay to NO is connected to the negative terminal, which is connected to the bulb holder 2. And in this relay driver module, R1 relay 1, which is connected to the digital pin 9 of Arduino UNO. Relay 2 is connected to the digital pin 8 of Arduino UNO. VCC of relay driver circuit is connected to the 5 volt of Arduino UNO. Ground of relay driver is connected to the ground of Arduino UNO. And this is the connection schematic. Here we are connecting in such a manner, and this is the programming logic. If we are, this is the app which is provided by the Skyfell app. This is the home automation app, and when we are switching on light one in this, we are this HC05 module receives character A based on the code we had written, and after that Arduino UNO will send a high to digital pin 9, as we had connected to digital pin 9 and of light 1, and this relay driver circuit will switch on the bulb 1, which is corresponding to R1. And this is the home automation system schematic diagram. Here in this we are connecting various modules, and here we are controlling electrical drives using a smartphone app, and which act as an interface between mobile phone and Bluetooth module. And the smartphone app is a home automation app which is designed by Skyfell Labs. Bluetooth module, which is HC05 module, establishes connection between phone and controller. This microcontroller, which is on board to Skyfell Labs control development board, which acts as the controller unit for this project. And Arduino board is used to process output signal that is sent via Wi-Fi module to ThinkSpeak app, which is based on the Bluetooth signal sent via HC05 module. And this ThinkSpeak app, which is here, this is the ThinkSpeak app. Here in this app we had created a channel, and we had named it as home automation using IoT, and we had created two fields for light 1 and light 2. Field 1 is for light 1 and field 2 is for light 2. And this ThinkSpeak app is used to display output electrical load. Okay, then we had also written various codes. This code on Arduino, and this code is for reading value from Bluetooth, and This code is for controlling electrical load using Bluetooth module. And this is the final home automation code, and I'm going to show implementation part. First we are verifying it. This is output, and we are uploading it to the UNO board. See, make sure that the board is connected to Arduino UNO and the port is connected to serial port COMP. Okay, done. Check on the serial monitor. You can see this is the output on the serial monitor. Okay, then the supply is given. We are switching on the light one, and the light is on. We are checking the output on ThinkSpeak app. There may be slight delay based on the delay time given in the program. Meanwhile, see that the output is rising. Meanwhile, we are switching off the light one, and similarly we are switching on light 2. Yeah, this is the corresponding output of light 2. See, light 1 has risen and it had fallen down because of the variations, and similarly you can see for light 2, and we are switching off light 2 also. Similarly, we can control electrical loads with the help of home automation app. In this way, we can control electrical loads with the help of ThinkSpeak app, and we can control with the help of mobile phone. Okay, this is our project. Thank you.